Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise on the beat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya ògùn wa tán. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kú ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé ajẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn olórí bá bọ́ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Aláràgbà yìí dàníyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dá. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlọ́ ní.
Good afternoon and good evening, wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu Olatiboye, also known as Babi Wenje. And if this is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you have anything to discuss with me in a professional level, you can chat with me on a 090-533-2747, or you call me on a 070-3742-2552. In today's video, I want to bitter leaf, one bunch of alligator pepper, and ekpo obo back. How to use it? If you always complain about, maybe you always have sex in your dream. If you're a woman, you always have sex in your dream. Or you are a man, you always have sex in your dream. Some people complain that whenever they are using something that is very powerful, or whenever they are expecting something from someone, like good thing, maybe someone promised them, they always have sex in their dream. Are you with me? Or you are kind of person that always have a bad dreams. I will advise you to use this simple assignment, you understand, to fight any monitoring spirit that force you to have sex in your dream. You know, sometimes you may sleep that someone came to your dream, in your dream, that the person is forcing herself or forcing himself to have sex with you, but you refuse to do it, you understand. So it's means that you are spiritually, you have power spiritually that can defend and protect yourself, you understand. So any monitoring spirit that force someone to have sex in your in the dream, any monitoring spirit that force you to eat in your dream, when you do this simple assignment, by the grace of Almighty God, you will stop having sex in your dream. You will stop having, maybe you are eating in your dream, by the grace of Almighty God. So the material you need is bitter leaf, one bunch of alligator pepper, and a obo back, you understand. So how to do it and how to use it? You will get this bitter leaf, either the fresh one or the dried one, you understand. Anyone that you see them, either the dried one or the fresh one. Are you with me? So the obo back, you are going to pieces it, you understand. You pieces it in a small pieces. You put it in a local pot. Are you with me? Then you now put one bunch of alligator pepper. Follow it. So the bitter leaf, you use it to cover it. You understand? Then you burn it. Are you with me? In fact, I will advise you to use a dry bitter leaf if you can't find fresh one over there, because if you want to burn the fresh one, it will take a long time to burn. You understand? But if you are used to it, you can burn it. You understand? Like me now, if I want to burn it now, sometimes I normally dry the bitter leaf to make it burn faster. You understand? So you burn it and you grind it. You understand? So how are you going to use this assignment? How are you going to use this recipe? In the night, the powder you burn, you understand, the powder, you put it in a plastic rubber. You add enough palm oil. We call it epo pupa in Yoruba language. You add it to it. Are you with me? You mix it very well. Anytime that you want to sleep in the night, you lick it. You understand? You use your the middle finger, the longest one, you use to mix it very well, and you lick it. You can lick it 3 times. You understand? And by the grace of Almighty God, when you are licking it, you are having sex in your dream, you have bad dreams, you understand? Or you always eat in your dream. Whenever you are using it, it will stop by the grace of Almighty God. Before you lick it, make sure that you pray to God. You understand? Ask God to make the thing that you want to lick to make it work perfectly. You understand? So that is how to use it, and that is how to do it. And if you love this video, please help me to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much. Èyí tí a bá sọ ní òní ni bí a ṣe ń lo ewé ewúro, epo ọ̀bọ̀ àti òdìdí àtàrí kan. Tí èèyàn bá jẹ́ nìkan tó jẹ́ pé ó máa ní ìbálòpọ̀ lójú oorun, tàbí èèyàn máa ń jẹun lójú oorun, tàbí ó máa ń lálàkàlà, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Ṣé rí ewé ewúro, epo ọ̀bọ̀ àtàrí o. Inú tí a bá sọ pé inú Yorùbá science ló wà, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Ṣé rí èmi ò dẹ̀ rí pé kò sí nǹkan tí ó bad nínú kí irú nǹkan báyìí kó máa ṣèyàn, kéèyàn dẹ̀ wá àwọn natural thing tọ́lọ́run dá láti lè fi kọ́ńkà irú nǹkan yẹn, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Torí bí tí ayé ń lọ sìn, a lè sọ wípé gbogbo nǹkan tí ó wà nínú ewé àtegbò ló dáa. Àmọ́yé mi tí ò dáa, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Àmọ́ ewé lẹ́yìn sì mo ní kẹ́ mú ewé ewúro, epo ọ̀bọ̀ àti òdìdí àtàrí kan ẹjọ́. Ẹ lọ kúkúná. Téèyàn bá ń lálàkàlà, ó níyẹn o, kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ewé ewúro, epo ọ̀bọ̀. Epo ọ̀bọ̀ yìí ẹ fọ́ wẹ́wẹ́, ẹ dà sínú kòkò. Ẹ wá fi òdìdí àtàrí kan sí. Ẹ lè ṣe púpọ̀, ẹ dẹ̀ lè ṣe díẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ti wá fi òdìdí àtàrí kan yẹn sí, ẹ wá kó ewé ewúro tútù. Ẹ lè lo gbígbẹ o. Tí mo bá fẹ́ ṣe ń gbà míì, tí mo bá torí mo ní ilé, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé, in case èèyàn bá nírú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ tó nídìí ẹ̀. Ṣé rí ewé ewúro yẹn máa sátẹ́gùn tí ó gbẹ. Ẹ lè sa lóòrùn náà tó bá ti gbẹ, ẹ kó lé lórí kó lè bá tètè jó ni o. Torí tẹ́ bá ní kẹ́ jẹ ewúro púpọ̀ kẹ́ jó, ìgbà míì ó máa ń pẹ́ jó o, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé, tó máa ń pẹ́ jó ń gbà mí, àmọ́ tó bá rí iná gidi, ó máa ń tètè jó. Torí àkọ́kọ́ omi ara yóò kọ́ gbẹ kó tó di pé àwọn ewé yóò ṣe máa jó. Àmọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé ẹ rí gbígbẹ, ẹ jó, ẹ lọ kúkúná, ẹ wá dà sínú òkè kan, ẹ dà ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ epo pupa, ẹ dà lé lórí. Tẹ́ bá ti dẹ epo lé lórí, ẹ rò pọ̀, alálẹ́ ẹ ṣàdúrà sí kẹ́ tó là, sọ̀rọ̀ mi ti yé. Tẹ́ bá ti ń là pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run ní agbára Ọlọ́run, gbogbo à ń jẹ lójú oorun ni o. Ẹ̀mí kan fọ́ọ̀sì èèyàn láti ní ìbálòpọ̀ lójú oorun ni o. Ẹ̀mí kan fọ́ọ̀sì èèyàn láti jẹun lójú oorun ni o. Gbogbo ènìyàn Ọlọ́ọ̀ba á yanjú fún yín lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ wo kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, nǹkan díẹ̀ tí mo máa fún alẹ́ nìyẹn. Abá ilá lágbára Ọlọ́run. Èmi náà lọ́mọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, Dr. Mutiu Ọlátìbóyè táyé màsí wọ́n jẹ́. Ẹni tó bá dìgbà mi, á tún mú ọ̀rọ̀ mi tuntun yàtọ̀ sí eléyìí wá. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sí ètò kílè kó fún alẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn nǹkan mi tá a ṣe àtèyí tá a ṣe, torí pé èyí tí a ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ. Dàbọ̀.